में स्वागत है। एक सूचना है, कृपया ध्यान रखें, योगा में इसमें पैर नहीं रखें, इसको
My name is Kumar Raichura, and I am the Executive Committee member for the Indian Association, and I am also the Executive Committee member for the SDM Jinja Temple, and I also belong to HSS, the General Secretary of HSS, which is organizing this event of International Yoga Day. This event was started by the Prime Minister of India in 2015, 21st June. So he had put a proposal in the United Nations Council to promote this event for peace and harmony for the whole world, because yoga means it is a way of enlightening the souls of people to discover your inner self. So yoga is an exercise which makes people enlightened, peaceful, and it also strengthens your body. So basically yoga has different forms. It is a combination of physical and mental exercises where people do meditation, the exercises for breathing, and also stretching their body parts. So we, the Indian community across the world, we are celebrating this event to promote peace and harmony across the whole world. Wherever we are residing, we want to promote peace and harmony. So here in Jinja today, we have our chief guest. We've invited our chief guest, His Highness the Kyabazinga of the Busoga Kingdom. We are really lucky to have him for this special event, and we're also promoting the event for the local community, and it is an international event. So all are welcome to come and take part, to also exercise their mind and body, and we are here to promote peace and harmony. We are expecting 600 people. And this event started in Jinja 4 years before. So from the first year we started with 70 people, and over every year it has been increasing. So it is becoming very popular. So, and we hope every year it's going to become bigger and bigger. And we want the local community around Jinja to start. In fact, in Uganda we only used to have in Kampala and Jinja. Now this year we have started, we did in Barara, we are doing in Arua, and also Mukono we did last Sunday, and next week we have a big event at Kampala at the airstrip where we have 3,000 people taking part in this event. So this event is growing every year in Kampala, in Uganda. It's just growing and growing bigger. That is it is not only for Indians, it is for the international everyone. The event is called International Yoga Day. So all people are welcome from all religions, all parts of the world, every country, because every country, I'm sure, is looking for peace and harmony in their country, and that is the message the Indians are sending across, that we want peace and harmony, and we want to live together, one world, one family. So the world is going to be a better place where everyone is living in peace and harmony.
I'm Mr. Prabhat from Jinja. And as you have seen, today is World International Yoga Day, although it is on 21st, but because of our convenience, we are trying to make it today because of the holiday in Jinja, although the exact date is 21st. And as you see what is written, Yoga for Humanity, Harmony and Peace. So you can see with the slogan, what is the meaning of yoga? Yoga means harmony and peace. So yoga is such a spiritual and a unique technique which can makes you that how to live friendly in the society, and to make your mind also stress free. You will not go into the depression. Always you will feel fresh. Always you will feel energetic, and you will be friendly to everybody. So the main purpose to organize these events, that we invite more and more people from our society, and we spread this benefit, or we sensitize them that so they can, because today the main challenge in our society is that people are getting stress, they are getting depression, they are getting anxiety, and for all this problem the solution is yoga. That's what I say. And the main beauty of yoga is here there is no any capital investment you need to perform this. As you are going to gym or as you are going to any institution, there you have to pay the membership fee or you have to buy some equipments. But here it is yourself. There is no single ceiling investment to make yourself happy. So this course is with zero investments. That's what I say. So that's why I am inviting all my brothers and sisters in Uganda to come, participate and take the advantage of it. And you feel happy, be blessed. Thank you so much. This yoga is a universal things. Even yesterday I was talking to some group from Kyabazinga and they were saying that this yoga things, if you check with your father generation, they had not named it yoga, but they had in different form in the curriculum in the school. So our request to administration and even to our Kyabazinga, our king and our religious and spiritual leader, that let us embed this curriculum in our school. So from our kids, from the basics, they come and they get use of it. So they can bring it in their day-to-day life. That is our main goal, that we sensitize our young generation, even the kids from the school level, so they can get benefit of this program. And then we can grow a prosperous and happy Uganda.
What go know everywhere now, but the main head is Kampala, like you see. Yeah, I came from Kampala. The main head
Your telephone number. You write your telephone number.
You say अभी नहीं वो उसका तबीयत गड़बड़ है मैं बोला था उसको अभी ये फ्लो रहेगा प्रोग्राम
as one of the most trusted means to boost physical and mental well-being. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st of June with the aim of making it December 2014. The Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, suggested an annual day of yoga on June 21st, which was endorsed by record of. When India proposed this motion of International Yoga Day to be on 21st of June, our External Affairs Minister, Honorable Sam Kutesa, was the chairman for that session. Recognized its universal appeal on 11th of December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as International Day of Yoga. 21st June of 2015, the International Yoga Day was celebrated for the first time all over the world. On this day, more than 35,000 people performed yoga on Rajpath of Delhi, in which representative of Ayush, as it encourages us to recognize that we are part of larger global family where the well-being of every individual and every living being matters. That's already taken place for 2 times in Kampala International School and 2 more schools that were adopted by Seva International Uganda, planning to adopt few more schools in Jinja with help of our donors. 9 years after United Nations recognized June 21st as International Yoga Day in conjunction with Shree Hindu Sabha Jinja. We are now going to have 3 national anthems.
Thank you for honoring our invitation and be here with us. We as the SSS, HSS plus the devotee of Hindu community and all Indians are very great that you accepted the invitation and you are here. Thank you very much. I think most of you who know our Kyabazinga, the king of Busoga, but few Indians who are maybe new here, who doesn't know him, he is the king of Busoga. Busoga is the region in Uganda here where we are, from this side of Nile. And Busoga is now a tribe. So according to the kingdom, everyone who's living in Busoga is a Busoga. So all of us, it doesn't matter which religion, what tribe, where you come from, any part of Uganda, any part of world, we are all Busoga. So all of you, thank you for coming here.
Now I'd like to invite Umesh Pratap Singh Ji. He is associated with Nile Plywoods Group since last 10 years. He is a child of Swayamsevak of HSS and currently he is Uganda HSS Karaba. So I would like to invite him.
Long. So in pranayam we learn how to increase our length of life. The number of breaths are counted. Whoever has come on this in our hand, we can increase the length of breath. So in pranayam, we learn how to increase our life. So I will not do much time, just I will, because we are little bit late. So the next session is yoga session, pranayam session. Then
संजनानाम् उपासते ॐ सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
Now go ahead and place your left hand on the mat. Take your right hand, touch your left ear, and now gently bring your right ear to your right shoulder. So you don't have to pull. No need to pull on your left shoulder. And then gently coming back to the center. Very good. Once each other as your chin comes towards the chest. No need to pull on your head, just rest the natural weight of your hands and arms on your head, chin to chest. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. And then gently coming up to the center. Bring your hands back down. And we shall inhaling, take it out. Maybe that is like 3 rolls. Exhaling, coming back. Time. Inhaling, take it out. Lovely. Bring your hands to the ground. Taking a few shoulder rolls. You can just lift your shoulders up to the ears. Move them back and down. One more time. Up to the ears. Back and down. Going higher if you like. Exaggerate it a bit. And now come up, bringing both hands up alongside the ears. And now you're going to place your right hand outside your left thigh, press into the ground behind you with your left hand. rise up as we can. Very good. We are now going to come forwards into all fours, coming onto our hands and knees. So, be sure to place your knees and exhaling round in the back and up. And then come back into the center. And we're going to come to stand up.
Community in different capacities, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all to observed. Good morning. Let me take this opportunity to thank you for having come in large numbers, especially the youth. Thank you for showing a good gesture. Let me again take this opportunity to thank the Asian community for loving Busoga and Uganda at large. I thank you for investing in Uganda and in particular the Busoga sub-region, where you've employed quite a number of people in their different capacities with different kinds of skills. We are here today for the International Yoga Day, which is recognized worldwide. Therefore, this practice brings joy, health, peace from within, and deepens a sense of connection between an individual's inner consciousness and the external world. And it was my first time to undertake yoga exercises, and I really felt different right from the word go. So thank you very much. Yoga has been in existence for a long time, right from the ancient world during our great-grandfather's time, and has done a lot of wonders. Therefore, it is now part of our culture. Thank you for embracing it since time immemorial, and for ensuring that up to today it is becoming more and more popular since it has gained momentum. Yoga simply means to join or unite, as it is being seen right now. That as a result of yoga, we are all here from different walks of life. We are interacting freely, networking, and enjoying good hospitality from the Busoga Kingdom. It is definitely practiced all over the world, and we know with time it shall become part of our culture, since it has been in existence for quite a long time. That's why the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga under Resolution 69/131. From the experience I've attained in the last close to 1 hour, I have noticed that yoga is more than a practical activity. There is a lot more to what I thought. So let's continue embracing yoga such that we can have better lives, healthy living, and as well have better mental, emotional, and physical way of thinking. I implore you as the Asian community to continue investing in Uganda, and in particular in Busoga. As a kingdom, we are an open door, and we know since when we have good working relationships, we shall strive to ensure that develop our people, develop our region, and as well improve their standards of living. As I wind up, I thank you once again for inviting me to such a special function, which is unique in its own way, but full of a lot of benefits. For God and my country, Busoga na amani.
Next is our HSS Karyakarta.
Experience from our audience, and particularly I am going to invite our principal from South.
As Walukuba West Primary School, we embrace this activity because it is there to help us become fit, it builds the soul, and even when we move back to the communities and to the staff, we shall always make physical exercise with them. So as a country, it unites all of us because we are here with different tribes, different religions, and different aspects. We've been with the Kyabazinga, we've been with the regional security officers, so it unites everybody. And when we are here, we are all united in the same way.